we're going to the Italian festival today, and it's super hot and it's also super packed, so many people. But thank you, Darwin, for making parking free on weekends. You rock! And look how white Elliot is. He's back to his clean stuff and so soft and fluffy. Well, I take that back. Darwin sucks. We couldn't bring Elliot into this festival, so I'm just working there on my own, and I'll report back to Pete after. But it looks pretty packed. I don't think we'll even be able to get food here. Okay, well, after all, this was a bit of a disappointment and we didn't miss out that much, so at least we got to meet a few people with dogs at the entrance of the festival. None of them could go in, and we had a good chat, so that was at least that. As the Italian festival was on the waterfront, we decided to keep going and explore a little further and found the precinct, which reminded us a little bit of Darling Harbour in Sydney. It's a beautiful area with a pool, trees, lots of shade. Cafes and restaurant where people can come and hang out. It also has the most plush grass you've ever seen, and Elliot loved it there. The Seabreeze Festival was also happening on the same day, so we stopped there for lunch.
So this is a cheese hot dog and this is a pork hot dog, Korean style.
And we are so pretty, we made the front page of the NT News website. The Seabreeze Festival is in Nightcliff and the beach is just beautiful there.
So we have a washing machines and a little caravan park we have as a money changer. Put $50 in, gives me $51 coins. Wait a bit, you're done my washing, here another ching 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 ching. Tries to give me a jackpot feature, give me another $51 coins.
So we made $50 by going to the coin changer. I should go put another 50, see what happens.
Triple one deal.
Double or nothing.
Maybe.
After doing a little video call for Mother's Day, we headed over to the Botanic Gardens, where we discovered all sorts of curious and fascinating things. Starting with an African baobab tree with the widest tree trunk we had ever seen. It was just enormous. I hope you enjoy walking with us throughout all those beautiful gardens. And now it's time to head over to the beach for dinner. We made it to the famous Mindil Beach Sunset Market. We'll have a little wander around the stalls, get some food and watch the sunset on the beach. Dinner by the beach, guys. This is awesome. We have paella. Pete also got dessert, of course. What do you got there? Vanilla slice?
Vanilla slice, brownie, and macaroni.
Now we're all set to watch this sunset in style. And what a beautiful one it was.